My name is Jennifer Black, and I am a senior principal program manager for mission critical projects. And when I started at Trane back in the 1990s, there weren't that many women at Trane. I think I was one of maybe 4 others in the technology center, which housed 400 engineers. So I've always been very passionate about getting more women into STEM. Trane Technologies' culture for women and diverse candidates is just phenomenal. We have a great support system. So I took a break from the workforce to reconnect with my young children. I stayed connected with all of my different network so that when I was ready to come back, I had that network to get back into a role. And I just kind of picked up where I left off. I do feel like I've been able to thrive, but I've also been able to thrive in my personal, my home life. If I was going to encourage a woman engineer to come to Trane, one of the things that I would say is that you have an amazing support system. When you uplift others and you see them have a good day or you see them be successful, it's very special that you had a part in that. I always say that if others succeed because of the things that we've done together, then we all succeed.